If you are starting UPSC prep in 2027, stop scrolling and listen carefully. Before you buy 10 books, before you join 5 Telegram channels, and before you start copying random topper schedules, pause. Most beginners don't fail because they don't work hard. They fail because they start without a system. Jumping between sources, studying topics without sequence, delaying answer writing. These early mistakes quietly compound and cost you years. That's why your foundation year matters the most. It's a phase where concepts should be built in the right order, skills should grow step by step, and preparation should move as one connected process, not scattered efforts. The Bhopal GS Foundation Course 2027 works as a mistake prevention system. It tells you what to study, when to study, and why it matters. So your effort actually converts into progress. If you want to start UPSC the right way, not the hard way, join the Bhopal GS Foundation Course 2027.